Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create rock text effect using Adobe Firefly and Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into using type tool and the using of Adobe Firefly. So, the first step we're going to do here is we're going to prepare a clear file and then use the type tool. So going on to the toolbar, let's get on the type tool, all right? So it shows this T symbol, or you can just press T for the shortcut key. Then for the options on top, I'm going to set the color to black. Then for the font style, I'm gonna make use of the daily bold regular font style here. Okay. Set this one to regular. Okay. Now let's type the text. Okay, so let's just click here. Right. Then let's type down here as rock text. Okay, so press Ctrl plus T for the transformation. Now, click on the rock text layer, press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command for us to be able to adjust the scale of it. All right, then hit enter. Now, still press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command. Let's make those text taller. All right, something like this. And let's compress it a little bit. And then hit enter. Now the next step here is that we're going to export this file. So to do that, let's go to the menu bar, go to file, then choose on export, then select export as. Okay, then once this window pop up, okay, let's go here, let's click export. Right, so I'm going to set the file name to rock text. Then, of course, click save. We already exported this text image. Now, let's locate on the Adobe Firefly. But before we do that, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Our next step here is we're going to open our web browser. Now, so let's type here in the search box, fireflyadobe.com. Okay, so that's it, firefly.adobe.com. Now we hit enter. Okay, now we will be here on the home page of the Adobe Firefly. And make sure that you have a subscription to it. Okay, now, next step here is that we're going to create a text to image. And that will be the rock for now that we'll be using for our rock text. So, go to the search box over here. Okay, so set this one first to image. Then click on this. And type the kind of rock that you want to generate. So, let's type down here as a rock boulder. Right, then click on generate. Right, so once done generating, it provided us different kinds of rock that we may be able to use. Okay, so I'll be using this one, the third one. Okay, so click that. So it will be open. Then let's go here on the top left corner of this picture or this image. Click this one. Then let's set this one to use as a style reference. Okay, so what happened to that? So it actually goes here on the left side. Okay, it will be used our reference later on. All right, now let's go to the general setting. Now for the aspect ratio, I'm going to set this one to landscape. Okay, click this one, landscape. Then for the content type, set this one to photo. All right, for the visual intensity, okay, let's leave it there. Okay, then for the composition, now we're going to make use of the text image that we just imported a while ago. So just click on this one, then find it. Okay, rock text, then open. Okay, it's already there. Okay, then let's go to style. Okay, for the strength, I'm going to increase this one to full MS amount. Then let's go down here. For the effects, I'm going to themes. Click this one. Then I'm going to make use of the hyper realistic. So this will be a trial and error basis for now. Okay, then we're good with this. Now let's go to the prompt. Okay, so for the prompt, I'm gonna type down here. Yes, turn the text into rock texture. Okay, on the grass with solid background color. All right. Okay, so this is the prompt that I'm going to type down for now. So let's try generating this one. Let's see how it works. Okay, so once I did that, all right, it turns into this. Okay, so actually the text is not that accurate. So maybe something is wrong with it. So let's go to the setting and maybe let's set the strength of the reference image into fullest amount. Okay. All right. So this time, let's try to generate it again. All right. There you go. Now the images are getting better. All right. Okay. So here's the fourth one. Yeah, the fourth one for me is good. Maybe there's something that we have to add on. Let's go to effects. Maybe we can make use of the 3D. Okay. So just click this one. All right. It will be added here. Okay. So let's generate that once again. All right. Now it turns into this. Not really yet satisfied with this. Go down here. Let's go to material. Okay, let's click on this. And maybe we can make use of the claymation and 3D patterns. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, so it turns to this. Okay, so let's remove the 3D patterns. Let's keep on generating. All right, there you go. Okay, so look at the fourth one. Okay, this is accurate from the kind of rock text effect. All right, then once you already have your preferred image, now let's hit download. And there you have it. And that is how to create rock text effect using Adobe Firefly and Photoshop.